I'm going to trace out the Rubik's Cube and cut it on a CO2 laser. I've printed the diagram full size. Here I'm using the new Logic Trace 2022, and the first thing I'm going to do is define the four corners of the diagram. By defining those four corners, that gives me a full-size display. First thing I'll do here is trace out the outer perimeter. And I've selected line as my method of tracing. As I trace along, I save my work frequently. Again, it's easy to trace out a full-size diagram. Now I'm going to start tracing out some of the internal parts. I also keep track of what I've traced by using that red pencil. As I'm tracing along, it's probably a good spot to talk about the new Logic Trace 2022. The program has been completely rewritten, utilizing new technology, and works with all computers, and that's including the Macintosh. The program has two windows, the left side being the control window and the right side being the display window. The control window has easy to use buttons, and you can switch between lines, arcs, curves, and tracing, and gives very accurate patterns of what's being traced. The display window has improved resolution and an added zoom feature. One unique feature is the ability of the program to extend the control window to another device like a cell phone or an iPad. So this would allow you to have that device right beside you while you're drawing. This would allow you to make different selections really quick. Getting close here to finishing up, so we're going to take this file and we're going to run it through the CO2 laser software. I've got the file loaded into the software, and I'm going to run it through the CO2 laser simulator just to see how long it's going to take. I'm using a brown masonite, like a hardboard. It's 1/8 inch thick, and I'm starting to do my cut. This hardboard, this masonite, it's really easy cutting, very smooth. The parts just pop right out. Once I'm finished up here, I'll just remove all the background pieces. I'm going to give it one first coat of black. Shown here, I've got 3 coats of black paint. I've hung it on a wall. It looks good.